Welcome to the Vuolearning online learning platform. In this video, we will go through the course settings and how to define them. You can define the course settings in the Chosen Courses Settings tab. The settings can be defined before publishing the course, but they can also be changed afterwards. In Common Settings, you can change the course title or the course image and add a description for the course. The course description can, for example, briefly list the course topics and the course's target audience. You can also add categories to the course. The course categories, as well as the course description, help the users to find courses suitable for them. Here you can also, for example, disable the course chat and subscribe to a summary email of the course's events. Remember to save changes. In requirements, you can enable course completion. When the course completion is enabled, you can define certain requirements that the user needs to meet in order to be able to complete the course successfully. These requirements include certain task points, reading progress, and video progress. Here you can also define whether the user will automatically get competencies when they complete the course. If your organization has added competencies to the platform, they can be found here on this list. An expiration date can also be added to the course completion. You can choose that automatic reminders will be sent to the users of expiring completions. This setting can be utilized, for example, for trainings that need to be renewed once a year. You can define what is shown in the course certificate and add additional content, for example, what were the topics in the course. From the preview, you can check what the certificate will look like. You can also define whether the users can download the certificate themselves and if it will be sent to their emails. In Target Schedule, you can define a target schedule for the course. The target schedule can be a specific date or a certain time from when the user was added to the course. You can define whether or not the user can access the course after the target schedule has expired. You can also define whether you want to send automatic reminders to the users of the approaching target schedule.